Alright guys, I'm back here again unboxing another Klipsch speaker. You have the professional Pro Reference Premiere, the 160 RPWs. And some of the key features of this particular speaker is the fact that it does have a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter, as well as a 6.5-inch Cerametallic Woofer and the 90x90 horn. This one is not adjustable, but it does have the tweeter and mid-range continuation switches for acoustic adjustments. And let's take a look and see what's inside. Alright, owner's manual, a little warranty card, and cutout template. Packing material. All these new Klipsch speakers have this paint protector, which is nice if you're going to be painting the room. It'll save these for the customer. Very clean magnetic grill, Klipsch. And then the speaker itself. This is a two-piece system as well. Has the back bracket and then the inner piece, so you can actually remove it like that, making installation just a little bit easier, especially if you're not a professional installer. We do have a low price guarantee on these items and we ship them nationwide, so just because you're not in the Dallas area doesn't mean you can't purchase from us. If you look here, this does have their 90x90 horn, but it is not rotatable. It has the 6.5-inch woofer, and this actually has like a matte finish right here. It has the treble and bass adjustments here on the front, little toggles, and then the back of the speaker has a completely different tweeter design than the professional series. But the magnet on the back and the woofer itself appears to be the same. And then nice push button terminals and all of your speaker connections here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful for you making a buying decision. If you would like to purchase this item or have us install it for you, give us a call or shoot us an email. Make sure to subscribe down below. This is Zach at Dreamedia.